I'm Derek Barron. I'm the Director of Care at Erskine Veterans Charity. Erskine has been here since 1916. We have got 2 care homes looking after veterans and their spouses. We've got one in Bishopton, where we are just now. We've got 180 residents living with us here, and we've got a home in Edinburgh where we've got 40 residents living with us there. And we replaced all of the beds in both of those homes. We chose NHC Group. Before the final decision was made, we asked the NHC Group to bring up 2 of their beds, the standard bed that you can see just now, and we had a need for bariatric beds, and they brought both of them up here for our staff to see. And our staff went in, with about 40 or 50 staff during the day, went in to see the beds. The support services team who are responsible for the maintenance and things like that. We had housekeeping coming along to look at it for cleaning, and also we had the range of care staff coming along to look at the day-to-day use of it. How does it work? The mechanisms of it. Is it good? Is it bad? Does it look nice? And then we surveyed the staff, and they universally said they were really happy with the beds and they were delighted. There's a couple of things that were important for us. We have to find somebody that we could rely on and that we felt we could trust. And then, of course, the bed itself, the function of the bed, make sure it works and it's safe and keeps our residents safe. And the beds that we now have are so much easier to clean and ensure we keep them clean. So we've got the function for the resident, we've got the function for the staff to move the beds up and down, but cleanliness. Another one is the aesthetics of the bed. It has to look nice. This is, after all, someone's home. Because it was a project with a project plan, we knew the dates we're going to do, we knew where. They had come up, met with us, where are we going to build the beds, which parts of the home do we need to close off temporarily, in small areas to be able to do this. It worked like clockwork. Care staff fed back to me as well. It was great. Residents, very little disruption for the residents. I'd have no hesitation in recommending NHC Group. From the moment for our first inquiry, their follow-up in relation to that, anytime we asked for information, their actual installation project team about the setting up, they came up and looked at Erskine first of all, so they knew what to lay out. They planned where they were going to do it along with our team. To the actual installation has been first class. So I would have no hesitation in working with them and saying, this is a company that knows what they're doing.